Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Today in this session we will take up SSC model coding decoding questions. And the questions whatever we are going to discuss in this session are actual questions which are appeared in recent exams of SSC, CGLE 2020-2019 exam questions. And these coding and decoding questions will discuss in three parts. Today we are discussing the first part. The first part consists of 15 questions. We'll discuss the 15 questions, and all these questions are actual exam questions, and these are reproduced by our time students. Let's begin the coding decoding. Now, just before going to the questions, once I would like to brief the coding decoding. In coding decoding, we'll come across two models: word and code having same letters. Word and code having same letters, and the second one is word and code having different letters. Word and code having different letters. Word and code having different letters. Basically we have a third model also, that is word to number coding. Word to number coding. These three models generally they'll give you in SSC exam. In this model, definitely you will be given a one word and a code to identify the logic. But the specialty of this question is the letters which are present in the word, like the letters which are present in the word and the letters which are present in the code will be same. When the letters which are present in the word PLANET and the letters which are present in the code LPNATE are same. So if the letters which are present in the word and the code are same, it comes under model 1. Model 1 is nothing but a rearrangement process. Letters themselves rearranged in a particular pattern. So in how many ways those can be rearranged means infinity number of ways. It means in this question two letters got interchanged. In this question the logic is two letters got interchanged. It could be alphabetical order, it could be reverse alphabetical order, it could be a random logic. Finally you have to understand that rearrangement of letters done within a word, and that rearrangement has to be identified by us. This is model 1. And the model 2 is word and code having different letters. Either in the first model or second model, definitely we have to be given one clue. Without giving the clue, answering the questions are not possible. So word and code will be given. Word and code will be given. Let's say an example, word is planet. Word is planet. And the code is QMBOFU. QMBOFU. So letters which are present in the word and the letters which are present in the code are different. When this situation arises, we have to observe math logics. We have to apply math logic, which is nothing but addition or subtraction. And to answer these kind of questions, better to write the place values of the letters. Either directly you may write it on paper in the exam, or you may by heart it. That is your wish. By writing the place values of the letters, we can deal with this very easily. Math logics, and the one more is based on the logic of vowels and consonants. I'm not going to discuss all these things. We are going to discuss original exam questions, but these models are possible. Opposite pair of letters and corresponding letters, opposite letters and corresponding letters. Basically, these three models that we are going to get here. Now, in this one, in three patterns, basically we have to check while identifying the logic. First one is, let me explain you, first letter to first letter. We have to check the logic from first letter to first letter. If the first letter to first letter logic is not possible, By applying the same logic to the given question, if you are not getting the answer, then immediately you have to check first letter to last letter. It is the second pattern. First letter to last letter. If even the first letter to last letter also, if you are not getting the logic by applying the same logic to the given question, then the third one is rearrangement of letters. It could be any one of the way, not only in this way, it could be any one of the way, rearrangement of letters. In these three ways we have to check first letter to first letter to last letter, and so on. And rearrangement of letters, pair of letters got interchanged, this kind of logics, whatever all this rearrangement process will be there, based on those logic we can check. Maximum in these three logics we can get the answer: first letter to first letter, or first letter to last letter, or rearrangement of letters. And the third model is word to number coding. Even in word to number coding, we'll be having two models in SSC. One is letters and digits are given in corresponding positions. Corresponding positions. Letters and digits will be given in corresponding positions. And the one more is word to number code. Word to number code, both are completely different. Letters and digits are given in corresponding positions. When we go through the questions, I will explain you what exactly it is. And word to number code, when you are checking the logic from word to number code, we have to check it in two ways. One is based on number of letters in the word, based on number of letters in the word, based on number of letters in the word. And the second one is sum of the place values of the letters, sum of the place values of the letters, sum of the place values of the letters. So briefly, a coding decoding has to be identified, and coding decoding has to be checked in this way. Okay, while going through the examples, you'll get the clear idea what exactly the each and every model is. Okay, look at here. If back is coded as, and remember that all these questions are appeared in recent SSC exams, please look at how they are dealing with the questions. If back is coded as 11312, cake is coded as 51113, then how will be made be coded as? So we have given two clues. We have given two clues, clue number one, clue number two. So we have to check these two clues whether it is following the same logic or not. In both the clues, if that is following the same logic, the logic which you have identified, then you can apply the same logic to the given word or made. Okay. Now, what is the logic given in the question? It is quite simple. What I told earlier, check the logic from first to first. If the first to first is not possible, check the logic from first to last. Look at here. Place value of the K is 11. Place value of the C is 3. Place value of the A is 1. Place value of the B is 2. If you want to identify the logic very quickly, you have to practice more number of questions. Then you will be exposed to more number of logics. By just giving the glance at the question, you can answer the questions. You can identify the logics. Okay. Similarly, first to last, E code is 5, K is 11, A is 1, C is 3. Now, the given word is made. For it is not first to first, first to last. M place value is 13. A place value is 1. D place value is 4. E place value is 5. Here it is given in the combined form, but we have to identify. Okay, B is 2, A is 1, C is 3, K is 11. This we have to identify. If you practice more number of questions, you will get the idea. 54113. It is choice 2. This is one model question. All the questions, whatever we are going to discuss, are different and are appear in recent SSC exams, original questions. Let's move to the question number 2. In a code language, temple is written as DKOLDS. How will worship be written as in the code language? In a code language, temple is written as DKOLDS. How will worship be written as in that language? Now look at here. What are the letters that are present in the word TEMPLE? What are the letters that are present in the code DKOLDS? Are these the same or different? Different. Okay. So when word and code having different letter, what kind of logics we have to check? Math logics or opposite pair, corresponding pair, or we have to check vowels consonant logic. But initially we have to check the logic from first letter to first letter. With the options, it is not available. From the question to the given option, the same logic is applied and it is not available. Then immediately check the logic from first to last. The same we discussed earlier. No. Place value of t is 20 and place value of d is 4. So 20 and 4 means how much it is reduced by? Minus 16. Whether it is correct or wrong, you have to try it. Okay. Now, w place value is 23. 23 minus 16 is 7, which is nothing but G. Is there any letter starting with G? No. It means my logic from first letter to first letter is not correct. If it first to first is not correct, immediately we have to check the logic from first to last. Look at here. TS. Place value of T is 20. Place value of S is 19. So minus 1 logic. Now apply the same. No need to check the remaining all letters. Apply the same. First to last. Place value of W is 23. So 23 minus 1. 22. Which letter place value is 22? V. Is there any option start ending with V? Yes, there is only one option ending with V. But to confirm the same, check with the remaining letters. E place value is 5. D place value is 4. So D, E to D minus 1. Similarly, O place value is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. Which letter place value is 14? N. Perfectly matching NV. Similarly, M is 13, L is 12, so minus 1. P is 16, O is 15, minus 1. L is 12, K is 11, minus 1. These are place values. E is 5, D is 4, minus 1. Apply the same logic here. R is 18, minus 1 is 17, which is Q. S is 19, minus 1 is 18, which is R. H is 8, minus 1 is 7, which is G. I is 9, minus 1 is 8, which is H. P is 16, minus 1 is 15, that is O. So OH, G, R, Q, and V, it is perfectly matching with your choice one. Okay, check the logic from first letter to first letter. If it is not possible, check the logic from first to last. You will get the answer. Even if it is first to last is not possible, try to check in the rearrangement process. Choice one. Question number 3. If flower is coded as 14, what to number coding model? Flower is coded to a number 14. Similarly, distaste is coded to 18. Now we have to identify bureaucrat be coded as. Now earlier I told when what to number coding, we have to check it in two ways. One is based on number of letters, and the second one is sum of the place values. So first always initially check with based of number of letters. Identifying that will be very easy. Okay. Number of letters in the word flower are how many? 6. Number of letters in the word flower are how many? 6. But here it is mentioned as 14. How it become 14? 6 next number is 7 and into 2 is 14. This is what I understood from the given question. But the same is true or not, we have to check with the other one. Distaste. Number of letters in the word distaste is 8. 8 next digit is 9. Into 2 is 18. Perfectly matching. So number of letters 6, but it is taken next digit into 2. Number of letters 8 here and taken next digit into 2. 9 into 2, 18. Perfectly matching. Now the number of letters in the word bureaucrat 10. So what should be the logic? Next digit 11 into 2, 22. So my answer is 22, choice 1. So this is how we have to think. Always give the first preference to based on number of letters. If it is not possible, definitely you have to check with the sum of the place values. When we come across this model, you will get the clear idea. Choice 1. In a certain code language, fridge is written as GTLHLK. In the same way, how will you write the word kettle? Now, letters that are present in the word FRADGE. Letters that are present in the code GTLHLK. So word and code are having different letters. When word and code are having different letters, what should be our approach? First letter to first letter. If it is not possible, first to last. If it is not possible, rearrangement of letters. Let's check first to first. FG. F place value is 6, G place value is 7, so plus 1. K place value is 11. Immediately check the given question. So plus 1 should be 12. Which letter place value is 12? L. Is there any option starting with L? There is only one option starting with L. This will be my answer. But to confirm that, we'll check the remaining letters. R's place value is 18. T's place value is 20. So plus 2. E place value is 5, and applying the logic plus to what we'll get? Seventh letter. Which letter is seventh letter? G. LG. Perfectly matching. I is 9, L is 12, so plus 3. So T is 20, plus 3 is 23, which is W. LGW. D is 4, H is 8, so plus 4. So T is 20, plus 4 will be 24, which is X. G is 7, L is 12, plus 5. Look at the logic. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Plus 5. L is 12, plus 5 will be 17, which is Q. E is 5, K is 11, which is plus 6. So apply the same logic. E is 5, plus 6 is 11, which is K. So LGWXQK, perfectly matching with your second choice. This should be your approach in solving any this kind of questions. Choice 2. In a code language, Sunday is written as DNUAYS. How will mother be written in that code language? Now look at the word Sunday. What are the letters that are present in the word? SUNDAY. And here DNUAYS. So the letters that are present in the word Sunday is the same as the letters that are present in the code DNUAYS. So what I can say that here letters are rearranged themselves in a particular order. Okay, what is that order? Let me write the numbering. Not the place values, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how these are appeared? 4, N is 3, 4, 3, and U is 2, and A is 5, Y is 6, S is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 become 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 1. That's it. It is a random order. It is not alphabetical order. By looking at that, we can say if it is alphabetical order, it has to start with A. If the vowels first, consonants next, it has to start with A. If the consonants first, it has to start with D. But D and next consonant should be S. It is not possible. And pair of letters got interchanged. Even it is not possible. So one random logic. And whatever the logics that I explained now orally, that will come across in next questions. Don't worry. 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 1. Now apply the same logic to the given word mother. Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 become 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 1. 4H. Fourth option is ruled out. Next 3T. Third option is ruled out. This is how we answer questions in the exam. 2O. HTO. First option is ruled out. My answer is second option. But we'll check the remaining. Fifth letter is E, sixth letter is R, first letter is M. HTOERM. Perfectly matching. You have to save your time in the exam means this should be your approach. Need not to check all the letters. If only one particular option is matching, you can choose that one. Choice 2. Now, if J is coded as 20, again, what to number coding? What to number coding? Now, so just earlier I explained that. First, we have to check based on number of letters. If it is not possible, go with the sum of the place values of the letters. Now, what is the place value of J? 10. Okay, let me check with the number of letters. 1. 1 and 20 means it is into 20. But what is the second word is given? Bat. Number of letters 3. By applying the same 3 into 20, I should get 60. But is it there? No. It means it is not based on the number of letters. So think in a different way. J's place value is 10. But this is given 20. So can I say that into 2? Yes, we can say. But it has to be true in another case also. B place value is 2, A place value is 1, T place value is 20. Sum of the place values are how much? 23. 23. It is 46. Can I say into 2? Yes. So sum of the place values and into 2. Sum of the place values and into 2. Now apply the same to the word cricket. C place value is 3, R place value is 18, I place value is 9, C is 3, K's place value is 11, E's place value is 5, T's place value is 20. Now do the sum. 3 plus 18, 21 plus 9, 30 plus 3, 33 plus 11, 44 plus 5, 49 plus 20, 69. 69 into 2 is 138. Choice 1, perfectly matching. Sum of the place values into 2. Logic is sum of the place values into 2. Move to the next question. Now, in a certain code language, friend is coded as GQJDOC. How will peace be written in that language? Now, letters in the word and the letters in the code are different. So first we'll check the logic from first to first. If it is not possible, first to last and so on. F place value is 6, G place value is 7. So increased by 1. P's place value is 16. Now question to the answer. Plus 1 is 17. So Q. How many options are starting with Q? 3 options. So I may go ahead with the logic first letter to first letter. R is 18. Q is 17. Now it is minus 1. So E is 5. Or minus 1 is 4. Which is D. QD. How many options are with QD? 2 options. So third option is eliminated. Next. I is 9. J is 10. So plus 1. A is 1. Plus 1 will be 2, which is B. QDB. QDB, QDB. I cannot rule out. Now let's move to the next. E is 5, D is 4, minus 1. So C is 3, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, alternately. So 2, which is B. So QDBB. It is not the first option. It is fourth option. No need to check the fifth letter. But here we'll check. N is 14, Y is 15, so plus 1. D is 4, C is 3, minus 1. Applying the same here, 5 plus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, 6, which is F. Perfectly matching with the fourth option. Choice 4. You don't need to write or you don't need to copy it. This video will be available to you. You can watch. If poster is coded as 592314, dark is coded as 8647, then how will be stroke coded as? Now look at here. We discussed one of the question like this. But will it be belongs to the place values according to the English alphabet? First check it that one. If that is not, what is the another logic that we discussed? Letters and codes are given in corresponding positions. Keep that in your mind. P is 16. Do we have 16 anywhere? No. It means it is not based on the place values. But that is ruled out. Now, look at here. One of the word poster and other word is dark. We have given 2 clues. Let's check, is there any common letter? Yes, R is the common letter. What is the code for R here? 4. Here also the code for R is 4. Only one letter is common. Basing on that, we can say that letter and codes are given in corresponding positions. Means the code for P is 5, O is 9, S is 2, T is 3, E is 1, D is 8, A is 6, K is 7. Now apply the same logic to the given word stroke. Now what here the important thing is, if any number of letters common, for all those letters, codes should be in the same position. Then only we can apply the logic. Letter and digits are in corresponding positions. We can apply this logic. Corresponding positions means one on one, first to first, second to second, third. corresponding positions. Okay, now apply the same logic. What is the code for S? 2. Code for T? 3. Code for R? 4. Code for O? 9. Code for K? 7. And code for E finally 1. 2, 3, 4, 9, 7, 1. Choice 2 is our answer. And this kind of questions they will give you very frequently. Letters and digits in corresponding positions logic. They'll give you very regularly. Now, in a code language, teaching is written as SBDDGH. How will bookworm is written as? Letters in the word and letters in the code are completely different. So first to first, not possible. First to last. T's place value is 20, S place value is 90, so -1. Let's check with the bookworm. B place value is 2, -1, it is 1, so A. How many options are starting with A? 3 options. So my logic from first to first is correct. E place value is 5, D is 4, again -1. So O is 15, -1 is 14, which is N. AN, how many options are with AN? First option, second, and fourth option also. We cannot rule out. A is 1, B is 2, +1. So -1, +1 now. Okay. O is 15, +1 is 16, which is P. ANP, 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 ANP. We cannot rule out. C is 3, D is 4, +1. Again +1. K is 11, +1 is 12, which is L. ANPL, 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 ANPL. Now I can rule out one option because in these two options it is X fifth letter and here it is V. One option can be eliminated. Okay. H is 8, G is 7. Again -1, -1, -1, +1, +1, -1, -1. W is 23, -1 is 22, that is V. Only one option is available, fourth option. My answer is fourth option. But here we'll check. I is 9, H is 8, so -1. N is 14, O is 15, +1. G is 7, H is 8, so +1. Now apply the same here, -1. 15 minus 1, 14, which is N. 18 plus 1, 19, which is S. 13 plus 1, 14, which is N. V and S N, perfectly matching. Choice 4. +1, +1. If you can remember the place values, answering these kind of questions will be very easy. In a certain code language, stroke is written as FLP How would bride be written in that language? Again, we'll be checking the logic from first letter to first letter. If not possible, first to last. S is 19, F is 6, so -13. B is 2, or also we can write 28 in cyclic pattern. Alphabets are in nature cyclical pattern, right? So Z 26, 27A, 28B, and so on. So -13. 28 minus 13 is 15. 15th letter is O. Is there any option starting with O? No. It means first letter to first letter is not possible. Then check the first to last. Even this is not opposite pair. Even this is not corresponding pair. Yes, it is corresponding pair. Okay. But corresponding pair difference is 13. By checking the same difference 13, here I should get what? O. But it is not there. So even corresponding pair logic is also not correct. So first to first is not possible. Check the first to last. S is 19. T is 20. So +1. Apply the same. B is 2. 2 plus 1, 3, which is C. How many options are ending with C? Only one option. Choice 1. That's it. If you want to check the remaining letters, T is 20. U is 21. +1. R is 18. S is 19. +1. O is 15. P is 16. +1. K is 11. L is 12. +1. E is 5. F is 6. So +1. Now apply the same logic. R is 18. +1. 19, which is S. I is 9 plus 1, 8. Sorry, 10, which is J. G plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, which is H. H plus 1, H is 8 plus 1, 9, I. T. T plus 1 is U. T is 20. 20 plus 1, 21, which is U. U is JSC. Perfectly matching with first option. Once you should get the basic idea. Once you get the basic idea, answering these questions are very easy. Choice 1. Now again, smoke is coded as 81643. Prank is coded as 72954. How would you code rose? Now, let's assume that it is based on the place values. S place value is 19. No such number is available. So it is ruled out. Okay. Now, whether letters and digits are given corresponding position or not, check it once. SMOKE, PRANK. Only K is common. Which digit is there? 4. In the same position, which digit is there? 4. I can confirm that now letters and digits are in corresponding positions. Now apply the same logic. Rows. What is the code for R? Corresponding 2. What is the code for O? 6. What is the code for S? 8. What is the code for E? 3. 2683. Choice 4. I hope with this example you are clear with this. Letters and digits in corresponding positions. If more than one letter is common, in all those common letters, digits has to be in the same position. Then only you can apply this logic. Letters and digits in corresponding positions. Head is coded as 37. What to number coding? Head is coded as 37. Bank is coded as 57. How will kite be coded as? Let's check the based on number of letters. Based on number of letters 4, but it is even not a multiple. Okay. 4 square 16. 4 cube 64. Not possible. Okay. Let's check with the place values. H is 8, E is 5, A is 1, D is 4. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 4, 18. But here it is given how much? 37. So what I can say? Into 2 plus 1. 8 into the 36 plus 1 is 37. We can say. Okay. Bank is coded as 57. But the same logic, whether it is following or not, important for us. B is 2, A is 1, N is 14, K is 11. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 14, 17, plus 1, 28. Sum of the place values is 28. What is my logic? Into 2 plus 1. 28 into 2 plus 1. 28 to the 56 plus 1 is 57. Perfectly matching. Now, what should be my given word? What is the given word? Kite. Write the place values. K is 11, I is 9, T is 20, E is 5. So 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, plus 5, 45. 45 into 2 plus 1. 45 to the 90 plus 1 is 91. It is matching with choice 2. It is perfectly matching with choice 2. Choice 2 is my answer. Sum of the place values into 2 plus 1. Now, in a code language, PASTUE, posture is coded as SAPTRUE. How would 70 be coded in that language? Okay. What are the letters that are present in the word? PASTEUR. And here SAPTRUE. Same. Letters that are present in the word and letters that are present in the code are same. It means rearrangement process. How that rearrangement happened? Let's see. What are the first letters? PAS become reversed SAP. PAS. T remains same, middle letter. Again ERU. This is how the rearrangement process happened. It means letters which are in the even position remain same. Okay. Now apply the same logic. 70. These three letters has to be interchanged. SCV becomes VES. E will be constant, same. And NTY becomes, sorry, YTN. Which option? VESCYTN. VESCYTN is fourth option. choice 4. Here word and code are having same letters. Okay, now last question for this session. In a code language, computer is written as IVGFKNLX. How will telephone be written in that language? Now, let me check first letter to first letter. C place value is 3, I place value is 9, plus 6. Even it is not opposite pair, just plus 6. T is 20 plus 6, 26, which is Z. Is it available any option? No. So think in a different way. First to first is not possible, first to last. CX. C is 3, X is 24. How these two are related? Opposite pair. Sum of the place values will be equal to 27. CX is opposite pair, OL is the opposite pair, MN is opposite pair, PK, UF, TG, EV, IR are opposite pairs of letters. Try to by heart the opposite pair of letters. Opposite pair. For opposite pair of letters, sum is equal to 27. Sum of place value is 27. So telephone, T opposite pair is G, E is V, L is O, E is V again, P is K, H is S, O is L, N is M, E is V. If you are unable to remember, just anyway in the exam in paper you will write like this, right? J, K, L, M. Write in the reverse order, starting from here. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, V, F, U, G, T, H, S, I, R, J, Q, K, P, L, O, M, N are opposite pairs. So which option is matching? V, M, L, S, K, V, O, V, G, choice 4. Choice 4. Okay, keep practicing the questions. Again, I will come up with the I'll come up with another session in coding decoding. There we'll discuss another models which are given in actual exams. Other models will. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.